We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Welcome, student. Myself, Dharmesh K. Patel, lecturer, Mechanical Engineering Department, NG Patel Polytechnic. My topic is boiler classification. Subject Thermal Engineering 1, Semester 4, Diploma Engineering. First of all, we can say the definition of boiler. Basically, boiler is a closed pressure vessel used to generate steam by the application of heat. Other definition is a boiler is a closed pressure vessel where water is heated, steam is generated or steam is superheated with heat which is generated by combustion of fuels, electricity or nuclear energy. So basically boiler is a closed pressure vessels which generates steam from water at required pressure and temperature. The basic classification of boiler is fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. In fire tube boiler, the hot gases from the furnace pass through the tubes which are surrounded by water. So in fire tube boiler, the hot gases are passing through the tube and which is surrounded by water. Water tube boiler. In water tube boiler, water is circulate inside the tube which is surrounded by the hot gases from the furnace. So basic difference is in fire tube boiler there is a hot gases inside the tube, whereas in water tube boiler water is circulate inside the boiler. Now we can see the other classifications. Number 1, according to the content inside the tube in the boiler, that is fire tube boiler and water tube boiler as we have discussed earlier. Number 2, according to the position of the boiler, that is internally fire boiler and externally fire boiler. In internally fire boiler, the combustion of fuel is take place inside the boiler cell, whereas in externally fire boiler, the combustion of fuel take place outside the boiler cells. Cochrane boilers and Lancashire boiler is an example of internally fire boiler, whereas Babcock-Wilcox boiler is externally fire boilers. Number 3, according to the axis of the boiler, it is vertical boiler and horizontal boiler. If the axis of shell or drum of the boiler is vertical, then it is known as vertical boiler, and if the axis of drum is horizontal, then it is known as horizontal boiler. Cochrane boiler is a vertical boiler whereas Babcock-Wilcox is a horizontal boiler. Number 4. According to boiler pressure, low pressure boiler, medium pressure boiler, and high pressure boiler. If the boiler steam pressure is in between 4 to 15 bar, then it is known as low pressure boiler. If that pressure is in between 15 to 60 bar, then it is known as medium pressure boiler. If the boiler pressure is greater than 60 bar, then it is known as high pressure boiler. Cochrane boiler, Lancashire boiler are the example of low pressure boiler. Babcock-Wilcox is a medium pressure boiler, whereas Lamont and Loeffler boiler are the example of high pressure boiler. According to the number of tube, single tube boiler, multi-tube boiler. If boiler contains only a one tube, then it is known as single tube boiler, whereas boiler contains more than one tube is known as multi-tube boiler. Babcock-Wilcox are the example of multi-tube boiler. Number 6. According to the method of circulation of water inside the boiler. Natural circulation boiler, forced circulation boiler. If the circulation of water inside the boiler is done by gravity, then it is known as natural circulation boiler, whereas if the circulation of water inside the boiler is done with the help of pump, then it is known as forced circulation boiler. Number 7. According to the use, stationary boiler, mobile boiler. If the boiler is fixed at one place, then it is known as stationary boiler. If the boiler is moved from one place to other place, then it is known as mobile boilers. Locomotive boilers, marine boilers are the example of mobile boiler. So they can travel from one place to other place. So it is known as mobile boiler. Number 8. According to the types of fuel used for the combustion. Coal fire boiler, oil fire boiler, gas fire boiler. If a fuel is coal, then it is called coal fire boiler. If the fuel for combustion is oil, then it is known as oil fire boiler. If the fuel is gas, then it is known as gas fired boiler. These are the classifications. Now, what boiler according to IBR, that is Indian Boiler Regulations, which regulate the boiler in India. According to IBR, a boiler is closed pressure vessel with capacity exceeding 22.75 liters used for generating steam under pressure. So basically, according to IBR, any closed pressure vessels which have a capacity more than 22.75 liters and generating steam, then it is known as boiler. So on that boilers, mountings is compulsory or compulsorily fitted on the vessels for the operations and safety of the boiler. Thank you.